NEBOSH. Unit IGC1, Management of International Health and Safety. Answer both Section 1 and Section 2. Answer all questions. The maximum marks for each question, or part of a question, are shown in brackets. Start each answer on a new page. Answers may be illustrated by sketches where appropriate. This question paper must be returned to the invigilator after the examination. Section 1. You are advised to spend about half an hour on this section, which contains one question. 1a. Identify 4 examples of a confined space that may be found in a workplace. 4 marks question. B. Outline the typical content of a safe system of work for entry into a confined space. 10 marks question. C. Outline the emergency arrangements that might be required for entry into a confined space. 6 marks question. Section 2. You are advised to spend about 1.5 hours on this section, which contains 10 questions. To identify documentation that is likely to be inspected in a health and safety audit. 8 marks question. 3a. Outline the main health and safety responsibilities of an employer. 6 marks question. B. Identify actions an enforcement authority might take if it finds that an employer is not fulfilling their responsibilities. 2 marks question. 4. Outline reasons why an organization should review its health and safety performance. 8 marks question. 5. A manager is required to carry out a suitable and sufficient risk assessment on a work activity. A. Identify possible sources of information that might help the manager carry out the risk assessment. 5 marks question. B. Outline what is required in order for a risk assessment to be suitable and sufficient. 3 marks question. 6. Identify possible costs to an organization following an accident in the workplace. 8 marks question. 7. Give the meaning of the following different types of incident and identify a relevant example for each. A. Injury. 2 marks question. B. Ill health. 2 marks question. C. Dangerous occurrence. 2 marks question. D. Damage only. 2 marks question. 8. Identify key areas that should be addressed in the arrangements section of a health and safety policy. 8 marks question. 9a. Outline the health and safety duties of designers, manufacturers and suppliers of articles and substances. 5 marks question. B. If those in the supply chain fail to carry out their duties, outline health and safety consequences in the workplace. 3 marks question. 10a. Give the meaning of the term safe system of work. 2 marks question. B. Outline what is meant by the following types of controls within a safe system of work and give a practical example for each. I. Technical. 2 marks question. 2. Behavioral. 2 marks question. 3. Procedural. 2 marks question. Employer is setting up a health and safety training program. A. Identify the benefits to I. the employer. 2 marks question. 2. The worker. 2 marks question. B. Identify when health and safety training would be provided to workers. 4 marks question.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.